Hey, have you heard about project management analysts? What do they actually do?
Oh, they play a crucial role in planning and executing projects. They analyze data, identify risks, and help stakeholders make informed decisions throughout the project's lifecycle.
That sounds interesting. How do I become one?
There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but a background in business, engineering, or computer science can be helpful. You can also get certified in project management through organizations like PMI or Prince 2.
Good to know. Is it a good career choice?
Definitely. Project management is a growing field with a high demand for skilled professionals. According to the PMI, project management roles are expected to grow by 33% by 2027.
Wow, that's impressive. What skills do I need to be a successful project management analyst?
You need a mix of technical and soft skills. Technical skills like data analysis, project planning, and risk management are important, but you also need soft skills like communication, leadership, and problem solving.
Got it. Can you give me an example of a project management analyst in action?
Sure. Let's say a company wants to launch a new product. A project management analyst would analyze market data, identify potential risks and opportunities, and develop a project plan with timelines and budgets. Throughout the project, they would monitor progress, update stakeholders, and make adjustments as needed.
That's fascinating. Thanks for sharing your insights.
No problem. Project management can be a challenging but rewarding career, and I highly recommend it.